Hello folks. Now when people think about asteroids, they imagine a huge solid chunk of rock, but some of them are entirely made of fragments ejected during asteroid collisions and void space. Hence the name Rubble pile. While monolithic asteroids of say 1 kilometer in diameter have been shown to only survive a couple of hundred millions of years in the asteroid belt due to ambient bombardment, not much is known about Rubble piles. We studied dust particles returned from the 500 meters long Rubble pile asteroid Itokawa with the EBSD and argon dating techniques. It turned out that the asteroid breakup that formed Itokawa happened more than 4.2 billion years ago, and Itokawa survived all this time. So Rubble pile asteroids are much more resistant to ambient impacts than their monolithic counterparts. The consequences, they are likely to be more Rubble pile asteroid than previously thought, so more chances that an Earth crosser belongs to that type. But you know what? They are so resistant that we can probably use some pretty aggressive approaches to push them out of the way. Catch you next time, folks.